Oof, I look like a really messy Miranda Priestley right now. Can you move to the side, sir? Hi guys, so it's time for my March favorites, or rather my quarantine favorites, because I've been quarantined pretty much through March. I realized my dad, I think, was discharged from hospital around the 7th of March, and I think I went out between the 7th and the 14th maybe once or twice. So essentially I've been home through the month. Okay, so these favorites are going to be slightly different to my usual ones because there's not much happening as you all know. So yeah, I'm going to start with my favorite in the beauty zone. It's my bushy eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to come close so you guys can see my untouched brows. I have not done them in, I don't know what, over a month. I think the last I did them was when Umang did them in Delhi in January, I think. So yeah, I've really been loving the bushy feel that they've got in this kind of like out of bed brow where one strand is thin, one strand is thin, and it's just like Then we have my next favorite. It's my Dyson, and I do not know how I would have survived without this. Mars hates this guy. As you can see, he has jumped up the minute I pressed him. We have spent many moments playing like with our friend Dyson over here. I'm not using him, I was just showing them, I promise you. Okay, I'm going to put Dyson down now. Not using Dyson, you can relax. So my Dyson Vacuum is something I've had for really long, but to be honest with you, this is the real time I have really put it to use. So my parents' house is pretty big. I vacuum the whole house every day or every second day at least. And it's amazing, super easy to use. And the other one, the nozzle that's on it right now, I'm not going to pick it up because Mr. over here is going to attack it otherwise. Is great to do like your mattresses, your pillow covers, your cushions, your couch, all of that. I mean, it has really like saved me, and it was so bizarre. You know, this is actually usually in our house, and just the week before, as I said, I went out twice literally. One of those was like an errand run with Weber, and at that point he asked me if I wanted something from home, and he was like, listen, your vacuum is here, nobody's using it, should I bring it there? And he brought it, and I'm so glad, because I don't know what we would have done otherwise without it. Favorite movie. Okay, so my favorite movie has to be Ford versus Ferrari. It's something I saw. It's on Apple TV, I think. If you're someone who likes racing and enjoys like cars and great acting, watch it. What a film. Then we have the Sung Ho Herbal Inhaler by Dr. Vaidya. Okay, so this was something I saw on Big Basket, and I actually ordered it with my groceries because I'm someone who doesn't like Vicks and that vapor rub like smell. So this is just an inhaler where you don't have to really apply it on you. You just go. So yeah, if you're a Vicks lover, you will like love this because it's like that smell and everybody's like, But if you're not like me, it's an easier alternative because you just inhale it. It goes in here, you know, your chest feels clearer and you're like, which is what we all need right now. Then on a more serious note, we have my next favorite, my mop. So again, this was something I had ordered off Big Basket while getting my groceries because we use mops in my parents' house for ages. And my sweeper, we have like a newfound respect for her because after mopping the whole house, I realized that it's not easy. But this mop is amazing. Okay, so I love that it has like the ringing thing in it, so you just push it and then it like spins and like it rings the mop automatically and dries it, so you can like mop. It's not as fun as it sounds, but yeah, this mop definitely made it easier, and I've been using it myself, and yeah, I just feel like It gets the job done. It's really easy to use. So if you're someone who mops a lot in your house, you will like this. Then we have my favorite charity right now. It has to be Quarancharity. It's something I started and I'm very passionate about it. We've already raised over 5 lakhs. The link is in the description, guys. Please go donate. We're helping migrant workers, we're helping animals, we're helping people like daily wagers who really need our help right now. And yeah, also helping people who are at home and don't know what to do, with lots of workshops, lots of creative sessions. All of that is happening. Follow us on Instagram, and yeah, just donate. Now is the time to really help. And I'm so glad I started this, because I just feel like with everything going on, you know, I was like, if the world ends tomorrow or if I die tomorrow, what would I be known for? Like what would be my last act, as I thought of it. And I was like, oh, would it be like a YouTube video, or would it be my followers on Instagram? And everything just seemed really frivolous, and I was like, I want to do something that makes a difference, and that I use what I know and help others. And that's what Quarancharity has been for me. And yeah, it's been a huge learning experience, and it's just been thoroughly fulfilling.
Kudi Nu Nachen,
हाँ नचने दे. So Kudi Nu Nachen is my favorite song, and I think it's Maz's favorite song also, because he came to dance with me. Stop it. It is like an amazing song. It's from Angrezi Medium. I love it. When it comes to food favorites, I've been cooking a lot right now, or should I say I've been cocaing a lot right now. I've been making my favorite Koka Noodles a lot, and now they're out of stock, which is like traumatic for me, because I do not know what to do, because I can't do anything but make Koka and stir fry. So yeah, I made Koka a bunch of times over the last 1 month, and I tried to add like newer stuff and like veggies and like garlic powder, and yeah, really like amp it up. And they were my favorite, but now like my version of Koka is my favorite, if you know what I mean. Favorite moment. Okay, so this has to be when I got my dad back from the hospital, like when we came home. And over the last 1 month, I've actually had many great moments with him, because he's recovering from a knee replacement. And since his physio can't come anymore, I'm the one who makes him do like his physio. And to see him go from walking with a walker to a stick to holding my hand to like letting him go like down the stairs like a few flights on his own, I can't tell you. It's like when you're a parent, a lot of your parents, and you see your kid walking the first time, it's kind of like that feeling where the tables are turned, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm so proud of you. But yeah, I mean, I just feel like I'm so lucky to have been here to be able to help my parents and look after them right now, because I would have been worried sick if I wasn't. And yeah, like just this whole process of watching him heal has been pretty amazing. Big Basket and Nature's Basket, you guys are amazing, and I want to give them a shout out, because you know, I have been able to stay home for a month because of all their deliveries, and I just think they're doing an amazing job. Everyone else was delivering as well. It's just that I've been using Big Basket or Nature's Basket. So you guys are amazing, and you guys are my favorite stores for the month. Thank you. Okay, now coming to my favorite shows. Okay, I feel like I've watched what I would watch in a few months in this 1 month, obviously being home, and it's crazy. So first up we have Netflix. Tiger King is amazing. Who else is obsessed with Joe Exotic? I watched the show and I feel like I love these like docu reality shows. Like they're just wild and lots of fun, and Tiger King is just insane. Like, watch it. Then we have I'm Not Okay With This. Kind of has that sex education vibe and like a teenage troubled teenager feel good mix of a show, which is nice to watch right now. it's interesting and it's got like some dramatic twists. F1 Drive to Survive season 2 is out, guys, and I don't think we're gonna have F1 this year, which is really disappointing for a lot of people like me. But I think that's it with all sports in general. Like, everything is just either postponed or cancelled. So if you're an F1 fan, you want to catch the season, like season 2 of Drive to Survive, at least you feel like you're still watching something related to F1. Then we have Feel Good, a love story which is totally feel good. Just the drama between these two girls and how they fall in love, and the regular relationship drama, and how, you know, it's very real. It's like mushy, and yeah, it's got like real world problems as well, so I would say watch it. New season of Unabomber. Okay, again, one of those shows that I love. Docu-reality is my favorite, like, you know, a type of show right now. And it's really interesting and engaging, and you just get glued. So definitely check that out. Another great one is The Trials of Gabriel Fernandes. Oh my god, like, this show broke my heart. Like, to think that people like that exist and that they do this stuff to children, it's really sad. So right now, if you're not in that frame of mind and you're looking for something positive, I wouldn't say watch it. But if you're looking for some real hard-hitting content that makes you think and makes you like wonder what kind of a world we're in, watch it. We also have Self-Made, which is based on the life of Madam C.J. Walker, which is really inspiring. I think if you're a woman looking for that women's empowerment like feeling, you want to watch this show. And the latest show I watched is The English Game. So this is how professional football kind of came into being. Really interesting, and yeah, you will like it if you're someone who enjoys football. And it's not like a reality thing, it's like a proper show with the story and stuff, but it's based on the two players who kind of started like professional football. Then we have Amazon Prime. Okay, Parasite, my favorite movie from last month, is on Amazon Prime right now. I watched it again because it's so amazing. I made my dad watch it as well, mom watch it as well. Everybody's consuming content in this house right now. We're just like content junkies right now. But yeah, I watched it again and it's as good, guys. Like, right now you can sit in your house and watch this movie. You cannot miss this. Then we have The Good Fight, which is the sequel to The Good Wife, minus the wife. So if you watch it, you know what I mean. But it's so good. There's 3 seasons, and it's just like, again, legal dramas are my thing. Love them. I didn't think this would be as good. Like, I was like, yeah, the main one's not there. It's gonna be like okay, but it is pretty darn good. Okay, on Hotstar we have Little Fires Everywhere, the new Reese Witherspoon show. Love it. It does have a feel like Big Little Lies, like small town, you know, that kind of a story, but there's just so much mystery in this one, which I like. And the only issue is that it's 1 weekend, like 1 episode a week right now, and that's just not working for me right now because I just want to watch. Then we have This Is Us, the last season that came out. Finished it. Again, chop. One of those shows that will make you cry, will make you feel for them, and it's just like, sometimes I'm like, I wish like this was my family. Like, when you see them all cuddled and like being like, oh, we love each other, I love you, which I don't think is real in any family, because everybody has moments of like, I hate you. But yeah, it's one of those shows that is just feel good, and the drama between the family is nice. I love it when the siblings fight because that makes me feel like it's normal. And yeah, you guys know I love This Is Us. And then on Apple TV we have The Banker, which is like a movie, but it's their original. Really enjoyed this. It's about the first black man in America who became a banker, and how you know, just watch it. It's amazing. So guys, those are my March favorites. I hope you're staying home, you're staying safe. Please donate to Quarancharity. The link is in the description. Also, comment below with your March or quarantine favorites or quarantine favorites. So it's quarantine. I've been quarantined, but your quarantine favorites, yeah. Comment below with your quarantine favorites. See you guys. Bye.